Number 4. Spinach, mango, and banana smoothie bowl. This smoothie bowl is not only delicious and easy to make, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and puffiness in the skin. Spinach is rich in chlorophyll, which detoxes the body and gives skin a healthy glow. Mango provides vitamin C, which brightens the complexion, while banana adds potassium and vitamin A for hydration and collagen production. To make this smoothie bowl, simply blend 1 cup of spinach, 1 ripe avocado, a half cup of chopped mango, 1 banana, and 3 cups of water until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. Number 3. Green smoothie bowl. A green smoothie bowl is a nutrient-packed powerhouse that can do wonders for your skin. The green vegetables like kale or spinach are rich in chlorophyll, which, as mentioned before, detoxifies the body and promotes clear skin. Avocado provides healthy fats and vitamin E, which nourishes the skin from within. Lemon juice adds vitamin C and helps brighten the complexion. To make this smoothie bowl, blend 1 bunch of kale or spinach, 1 ripe avocado, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 3 cups of water until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and decorate with fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds. Number 2. Beet and berry smoothie bowl. Beets are not only visually stunning, they are also packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. This can result in improved skin tone and texture. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are also high in antioxidants and can help protect the skin from sun damage and pollution. To make this smoothie bowl, blend 1 cup of chopped beets, 1 cup of mixed berries, a half cup of lemon juice, and 3 cups of water until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and add your favorite toppings. Number 1. Tropical smoothie bowl. Get ready to transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl. This smoothie bowl is not only visually stunning, but it is also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help nourish and protect your skin. Let's dive into the benefits of each ingredient. Papaya contains enzymes that can help exfoliate dead skin cells and reveal a brighter, more even complexion. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and skin elasticity. Coconut water hydrates the skin and provides a natural glow. Mango adds a sweet tropical flavor and is a good source of vitamin A, which helps regulate oil production and prevent acne. To make this smoothie bowl, blend 1 cup of papaya chunks, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, a half cup of coconut water, and 1 ripe avocado until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with fresh mango chunks, toasted coconut flakes, and a drizzle of honey. In addition to these smoothie bowls, it's also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and exercise regularly. These habits will support your overall health and contribute to clear, radiant skin. Remember, it's not about one big change, but rather consistent small steps that make a lasting impact. So why not start your day with a delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl? Your skin will thank you for it. Now that you know how to make some amazing smoothie bowls for clear skin, it's time to take action. Start incorporating these recipes into your daily routine and watch as your skin transforms before your eyes. But remember, consistency is key. It may take some time for you to see results, so don't get discouraged. Keep blending those fruits, veggies, and superfoods into delicious smoothie bowls, and you'll soon notice a difference in your skin clarity, brightness, and overall health. So grab your blender, gather your ingredients, and get blending. Your skin will love you for it.